Green tea is a popular beverage known for its numerous health benefits. One of the main advantages of drinking green tea is its high concentration of antioxidants, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Additionally, the catechins in green tea have been shown to improve brain function and protect against age-related decline in mental abilities. Drinking green tea may also aid in weight loss and improve physical performance by boosting the metabolism and increasing fat burning. The caffeine and L-theanine in green tea can improve mood, alertness, and concentration. Furthermore, the polyphenol in green tea have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which can help promote overall health and well-being. Regular consumption of green tea has been linked to a lower risk of type 2 diabetes, as it can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. The bioactive compounds in green tea also have benefits for cardiovascular health, as they can help lower LDL cholesterol and improve artery function. Overall, incorporating green tea into a balanced diet can provide a range of health benefits, making it a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle.